Okay, it's fully insulated. This is the end of the framing. This is what you got to do. Fill it up, and of course that all has to be inspected. And anything to the exterior gets the paint going on. So there it is. It's really not that much. Seen it before. Big old vaulted ceiling. So now we get some drywall on that. Walk into your great room now. Side door. And lots of natural light there. And then there'll be a ceiling fan up there later. I've showed you people this stuff before. This room is a vaulted ceiling in it, and then in this case we just wrap the beam. It's not going to be exposed wood, obviously. It's going to be drywall. But that side door there goes to the laundry, and you can put a pocket door. Seems like all I do is pocket doors. Look at that. Slicker than slick, man. And then there'll be a sink over there, washer and dryer. There's the electric panel, because it's a sub panel in the house. Yeah, it's not too common anymore, but it's a good spot for it. And then half the time, if the breaker goes off, you don't have to go outside. Okay, so now you come in your house and walk through it, and this back wall that had a slider has a great opening now, and there's a great room out here. This is the drywall stage told you about, and if you look closely, you'll see the light texture on there. And even though it's not consistent in color, it is consistent in texture, and it will be perfect once the paint is on it. So there you go. This ends the project. Insulation and drywall. Got the casing on the doors. Now we just have to get this stuff painted up. Your pantry over here now, the yellow light. You can sure see that incandescent light, can't you? That's all trimmed out nicely. So here's a little trick you gotta know what the pros do. You do your miter cuts, but hey, put a little glue there, boys, if you can get it to come out. If you put glue, guess what happens? They never call you back, because you got it in there and it's not gonna move. Yeah, then they get that nice perfect fit, because you give them just enough wood so they've got 1/4 inch left over. See, this is one of those rare jobs where the homeowner gets in there and helps you. And if he doesn't fall working in his flip-flops, what are those things, those goulashes? Crocs. If he doesn't fall out of those Crocs, man, it's not Cal OSHA approved. But I tell you what, he's been quite a helper on this job.